You don't want to ask these questions. You want to camouflage it in some other way and talk about trial of media. Please do it. But don't be hypocritical about it. Question to you is, I am saying, who in their right mind would say there's still not foul play? This is obviously foul play. A normal, healthy individual is beaten, injected, and injected. A normal, healthy individual who is about to reveal something which could be related to IPL is beaten, and injected to death.
Please understand.
You say, are you saying she beat herself, she injected herself to death?
Attributed to one single day.
Arey bhai, then tell me. No,
what difference does it make whether it's 4 days, 1 day or 2 hours?
4 days old.
What difference does it make whether it's 4 days, 8 days?
No, Rahul Ishwar.
1 hour. The point is she was injured.
Rahul Ishwar, you are not.
It's not self-inflicted injuries, surely.
No. One minute, one at a time. Is Rahul Ishwar saying anything new? 1 second. With respect, Rahul Ishwar is not. What Rahul Ishwar is saying, the injuries are 1 to 4 days. Exactly. And tell me, Mr. Rahul Ishwar, think yourself, be calm about it, don't be biased, don't be prejudiced. You may have your likes or dislikes, your personal opinion, keep them aside, Rahul Ishwar, for a minute. Ask yourself, who was with Sunanda Pushkar for the 4 days, constantly with Sunanda Pushkar, almost constantly with Sunanda Pushkar for the 4 days leading up to her death? Murder. Who was with her?
Yes.
Who was with her?
Yes.
Are you saying the hospital inflicted injuries on her?
Again, it begs the question.
We all know they were having fights. They were having marital problems. But let us wait.
So marital problem you can beat.
Let us not jump the gun.
Okay, so marital problem, she was probably beaten.
No, 1 minute.
This is your level of chauvinism now, which is also reflecting.
They were having problems. No. They were all.
Nasir Abdullah.
We all know. But having said that,
Nasir Abdullah wants to come back to the debate tonight. See, I am prefacing this by saying, you see, yes, Nasir Abdullah. Yes, Nasir Abdullah. You've heard it all, and I hope today at least you will take all your personal views on the subject out of the equation. I want to tell you one thing. Sunanda is found murdered in a systematic way on 17th January 2014.
Saying to me about, I've heard that before.
You've heard that before.
I just need to clear the air, and I'll take 30 seconds if this time you were to promise me you will not get exasperated with my answers. Like Madam Shobha Dey, I was also informed by Sunanda that she had lupus.
Please, get off this lupus theory, This lupus theory is a lie. Your medical report says she's not.
Very fascinated to Shobha Dey because she's an attractive lady.
Come on, please.
I'm a man and I look like Gaddafi, you don't want to hear it. What is wrong with you? What is wrong with you?
Mr. Nasir
Is it
Abdullah.
because I'm a Muslim, or are you jealous of my good looks? I look like Gaddafi now. Come on, grow up, man. She said the same thing that I did, and you were looking at her like this. And when I talk, say, don't give me that, and you hold your head. What am I supposed to do? Why do you call me here? We had discussed this thing. Shobha has told you that. Again, you're holding your head. The same thing you did with me 48 hours ago. What am I supposed to do? And you're listening very fascinated to Shobha Dey saying the same stuff about lupus. Based on what I had heard, I propounded the theory of a cocktail of other drugs that she was having, including the medication, which could have led to her death. I didn't say it wasn't a murder. So don't put words into my mouth,
No, Nasir Abdullah, first of all.
I am a coward. I am a coward, and I don't like, to be accused of stuff. I'm a very careful man.
So if you finish, Nasir Abdullah, now please stop for a minute and please listen to me. By the way, this is a serious discussion. I request you to be a little serious in the discussion.
Don't request me. I request you to give me the same respect as you give to Shobha Dey.
Yeah, so, stop comparing yourself constantly to Shobha Dey and just.
I'm not comparing. I'm too much of a man.
Okay, Nasir.
Why would I want to compare?
Nasir.
But it's unfair on your part. You hear the same story from her about Sunanda's lupus story, which I heard.
Does Shobha Dey say she died of lupus? No.
About a possible.
You see, Mr. Nasir Abdullah, if you were talking a little sensibly,
can happen.
If you can just think a little sensibly, if not speak a little sensibly, then you would realize where you are making a critical mistake.
I start with the same story that Shobha had got, and you're very, very rapt attention with her. And when it comes to me, oh, don't give me that story, and you hold your head. What am I supposed to do? I can leave. I'm okay.
Mr. Nasir Abdullah, please stop for a minute.
I'm glad you're laughing.
Mr. Nasir Abdullah, the fact is, Mr. Nasir Abdullah, now it's a serious murder investigation. We can't turn it into. Thank you. No, that's all. Now, Mr. Nasir Abdullah, please. Now, can I please have others on the screen? Please go back to the debate now. The problem is, Nasir Abdullah, what you don't realize is nobody dies of a suspicion. Does somebody, 1 second, Mr. Abdullah, please stop for a minute.
Who said she had lupus?
No, please, nobody dies of a suspicion. I suspect I have cancer, I don't die of it.
That's true.
I suspect nobody dies of a suspicion.
She was told by
Suman
somebody.
Siraman.
Obviously, she was told by somebody.
We are missing a very, very important
and I got
point.
fooled too.
If
Somebody
she had
told her.
lupus,
Maybe Shashi
the
told her.
changes in her
Maybe
organs
Shashi
would
influenced the
have
doctors
been
to
picked
tell
up
her.
in the
Who
autopsy.
knows? I don't know them. They're
Excuse
not
me.
my friends.
1 minute.
Cleared it already.
Hello?
She did not have
If she
lupus.
had lupus,
Can you, 1
I
second.
don't know. She
Exactly.
told me. What am I
If it
supposed
was
to
there,
do?
the
She told
autopsy
Shobha.
report-
One at a time, can I just have...
Changes suggestive of lupus could have been picked
I
up in an
believed her.
autopsy.
And you're calling me.
So I think
earlier
we're again
on,
and again
I was
going around
laughed
the same
at
thing.
for
If
saying
the
the
report
same
says
thing.
she didn't have lupus, if the
Our
autopsy report
report
doesn't
said,
show lupus, what she
but
said
Sunanda
does
said
not
to me,
matter.
what am I supposed to believe? Am I supposed to believe you, sir? I don't know you from Adams.
No, but again, we're going
I
around
don't
in
care. Shobha and me and
Arnab.
many other people were told by Sunanda
This
that
is-
she had lupus. What's the big deal? I'm not saying lupus is the cause of her death.
Maybe if she felt she had some of the
I didn't
symptoms
say
of it.
that. I just
Nasir Abdullah, now you got to stop for a minute,
the
please.
point
No,
is-
it's
the
not
point
funny
is,
anymore.
if the investigation
Mr. Nasir
report
Abdullah, a minute.
shows lupus-
There are five theories which have been
Then
debunked.
how are you saying that she...
There are 5 theories which have been
One of the
debunked.
many
and then you
theories,
say she
yeah.
was not
There are 5 theories which have been
It is
debunked. I'll put the
possible-
questions at the
it is
bottom of the screen.
possible
Mr. Abdullah, please.
Nobody knows
She
that.
might have felt she had lupus, but she didn't have it. She might have felt she had
she didn't
lupus,
have
but she
it.
didn't have it. She might have felt she had
One at a time. Can I just have
in the paper, no?
medical reports in the
I'm not
public
But
saying
that's
she
not-
had
that's not the
lupus.
same thing.
I'm not
Confirm
saying
this.
she had lupus.
What is this,
I
chaos
was
and
told that.
disagreement about?
Like many other people.
It doesn't matter what you were told. It doesn't matter what you were told. There are 5 theories which have been
Somebody
debunked in this
hypnotized her into
case.
thinking, I do not know. Shobha was told that.
Arnab,
Can you please, Mr. Nasir Abdullah, for a minute, can we have others also please onto this debate? The 5 theories
Can I
that have
make
been
one
debunked in
quick
this
point,
case.
Arnab?
The point is simple. It is all pointing to an IPL angle. Why don't we get it?
Yeah, sure.
It is all pointing Aman Sinha to an IPL angle.
Before evidence emerged.
So there is a serious possibility that she was. Why would any woman say
that-
I was
that might be
fronted?
a
Why would
subject
anyone
matter of
say?
investigation.
No, you tell me, Aman Sinha. Why would anyone say that I was a front for an IPL scam? Take the blame on themselves. Why would anyone say that? She was obviously hurt and she was going to reveal something. Tell me, Aman
you
Sinha,
are-
before an election,
Another
would that
point,
have
whenever you
political
have the time.
ramifications or
Right to the
not?
extent.
Yes, Aman Sinha.
No, Arnab, you are right to the extent that there are many statements which corroborate that, there was something very suspicious with regard to IPL and she wanted to disclose something. So all these statements and, there are a lot of her friends who have been making such statements which corroborate, what might be going on in her mind. But this is all a subject matter of investigation. Let it come out. But what Mr. Tharoor has alleged today that, there might be some political pressure or interference, I think this is absolutely uncalled for. In fact, this FIR does not even name anyone. It only initiates an criminal investigation to get to bottom of, what happened to Sunanda Pushkar, how she was killed. So Mr. Tharoor should be welcoming it. I do not know if he has nothing to hide. Why should he be so perturbed about it?
What prompted the
And,
police to come
make
out with an affair like this?
allegations when the fact of the matter remains, Arnab, when the fact of the matter remains that during the UPA regime, the same AIIMS Medical Board was not even allowed to inspect the scene of the crime. And this is what delayed, them giving their medical report.
And at that time,
therefore,
at that time, simple question, Mr. Rajashekharan, at that time, when the investigating officer was not cooperating with the medical board, right? When the details were not being given out, when the CCTV pictures were not shared, when the investigation was shoddy, did Shashi Tharoor come out and complain about it? Did he come out and say, oh, the investigation is so shoddy? Did he, Mr. Rajashekharan? Did he?
Did he allege political
Did he at any point of time complain?
See, allow me now. You have asked me a question, I'll answer it. Yeah, you asked me a question. See, in this case, an FIR was registered under section 174. Now, after 354 days, it has been altered to 302 IPC. See, what made the police to jump into conclusion that after 1 year it is a murder? You see, it can be a suicide also. See, the suicide angle.
On the contrary, why don't you ask? On the contrary, why don't you ask? Why did the police?
Material before the investigators.
No. On the contrary, why don't you ask? Why don't you ask, or why doesn't Rahul Ishwar ask? On the contrary,
What is the proof and the material? It is a murder.
Sir, all these
The
details,
proof and the material before the investigating authority that it is a murder.
all these details amount to what?
See, only
All these
the
details.
No,
Are you going to say the case is time bound now?
Not obliged
See, all this
to share all
certificate, all
these
this-
details with anybody. This is all a subject matter of investigation. And
What
during
about-
pending investigation, investigative agencies do not share it with all
See,
and sundry.
yeah,
What
it is
about
subject matter of
circumstantial
investigation. The
evidence,
police
we
has
not
That is
to-
not how
No,
our
this is not the
CRPC
police.
and IPC
Delhi
is
police
devised.
has to answer all this.
Mr. Rajashekharan, Mr. Narayanan's statement most importantly alleges. Just
Yes.
one second. Can I just
Yes.
can I have Rahul Ishwar on the screen, please, for a minute, and let's put the questions out as well. Mr. Rahul Ishwar, just a minute. Mr. Narayanan's statement most importantly alleges, and I quote, रात को मैडम ने साहब को फोन पर कहा, थरूर साहब आप खत्म हो गए, मैंने मीडिया को सब बता दिया है. Are we going to discount this statement of the domestic help? You know what?
Family will have fights like
And
this.
if this statement
Any
was
family
made,
will have
Arnab
fights
ji,
like this.
there is
That is not the
nothing
bottom
important
point
there.
or something like that.
Mr.
And you
Rajashekharan,
speculate too
Mr.
much.
Rajashekharan,
It
what
can't be
information?
for anybody.
Arnab, there is
Any
an
family,
important
husband
point
or
there.
wife will fight. That is.
Arnab,
Just a minute, I'm getting Rahul Ishwar into this, please. Rahul Ishwar. Yes, Rahul
See,
Ishwar.
any normal family.
Rahul Ishwar.
husband
Rahul
will
Ishwar.
fight.
Answer
Arnab ji,
Arnab.
Rahul Ishwar, please.
I agree and appreciate. I agree and appreciate the media enthusiasm in this case.
It's
Even
not
though I
enthusiasm.
personally don't believe Shashi Tharoor sir is responsible for this. Hold on. We need answers. She was personally close to all of us and we need answers. And I concede that there is a context and a background to it. But my limited submission is, before connecting the dots in the way we want, let us wait for more evidence to emerge. This entire FIR is built on Dr. Sudhir Gupta's observations. Fair enough. But let us wait for more evidence
No
to emerge.
evidence.
Unless we have solid evidence.
Mr. Rahul Ishwar, Mr. Rahul Ishwar, after accessing Sunanda Pushkar's KIMS medical report, which is the last medical report that Sunanda went through, our channel spoke to Dr. Vijaya, who clarified Sunanda's medical condition. Let me quote you some parts. Dr. Vijaya debunked the lupus theory that has been floated by friends of the family and said that doctors who examined her in a last medical test 3 days before she died did not think in those terms from the results we had at that time. Then I am asking you a simple question. Despite that, why were Shashi Tharoor and their friends pushing this lupus angle? Why were they? Just explain this to me. Why were they, Rahul Ishwar?
It was not only Shashi Tharoor. Sunanda madam herself told the head of nephrology in the particular hospital you mentioned, she was tested
Arey bhai,
for lupus.
why don't-
The lupus theory is not by anybody else. Sunanda madam herself believed she was ill.
Shobha De.
And in this
Shobha De
particular
wants to
FIR,
add
we are
on to that.
suddenly
Shobha
seeing
De.
she's perfectly normal and healthy.
Shobha De, 1 minute. Shobha De, please. Shobha De, please. Shobha De.
All I want to say is
Shobha
that
Devi.
Shobha De.
it's very obvious that she had been convinced by the people
How many
around
such
her
theory?
that she was a very sick woman and she was going to die of lupus and a whole lot of other terminally ill conditions. She was made to believe that. Perhaps she was even made to, she was administered drugs for various ailments that she did not have. She was in a very weakened state, physiologically, psychologically, physically, emotionally. Because of all the drugs that she may have been forced to take after convincing her she was very ill. So it's a whole plot.
One last sweet
It's a
question.
whole plot going back, work it backwards. It was not something that happened overnight, that someone, whoever it was, decided she was inconvenient and she could be gotten rid of, whoever that someone was. It was something that was worked on for months before she was actually found dead. That's all I have to say. And let the police find out who did it. I'm no one to talk about that. I'm no one to talk or speculate.
No, and on top of that, before you come in, And on
Her
top of
last
that, Nasir
tweet
Abdullah,
said- her
Nasir.
last tweet said, I'm going away smiling. What does that do to you? Her last tweet said, but I will go away smiling.
It's a
what does that do
creepy-
to
it's a
us?
creepy
Does
tweet.
that give you an indication that
She
that
was
was
a
her intention?
desperate lady
Ultimately,
at
she
that
might have been
time,
murdered.
desperate.
No, watch
But
it. Watch it. Nasir Abdullah, how do you know she sent out the? How do you know she sent out the message? Or
I
somebody
have
sent it for her?
also thought of that the assassins
Yeah.
might have been with her
Yes,
and
exactly.
made her tweet.
Yeah.
It's possible.
So this
anything
could, no,
is
so
possible.
this therefore
she was very depressed.
exactly. No,
We
but
all
one
know
thing
that.
comes out repeatedly.
But you are saying she's not.
One thing
Because the
comes out
doctors are saying
repeatedly.
she's
Three
not.
things come out here, and just think it through. All multiple sources are telling us one thing. Sumant Raman, I'm coming to you. What are they saying? They say repeatedly, everybody says Sunanda Pushkar was going to reveal something about the Indian Premier League scandal. And she had said repeatedly to multiple people, there are dangerous people involved. There are people across the border. There are people in Dubai.
Right.
Now we all know, Sumansi Raman, that the IPL does not have a clean record, and something very murky was happening in the Kochi
That
scam.
seems a
And
motive for
Shashi
murder, in
Tharoor's
my
resignation
opinion, yes.
in response to the exposés on Times Now was seen as damage limitation exercise by the UPA government at that point of time. You know the circumstances in which they happened, right? Now, if Sunanda Pushkar revealed something in January 2014, what impact would it have on the political circumstances, on a top Congress leader? Right? A top Congress
Absolutely.
leader
I think that is one angle which should
who
have
by
been-
the way, Sumant,
Yeah, but-
was removed and brought back as spokesperson, surprisingly happily rehabilitated, made a minister once again,
Yes.
in these circumstances, seen to be close to the top leadership of the Congress party, having their solid patronage. And here is a person, Sunanda Pushkar,
Now-
who is possibly wanting to reveal something very significant in the IPL scam about being a front. My question is,
just
who
want
was
to ask
no,
two
what's it?
questions
Therefore,
very
it boils
quickly.
down to this, Sumant.
What-
Who was she a front
if
for?
Shashi Tharoor had not been Shashi Tharoor, 1 minute. If Shashi Tharoor had been just another citizen of this country, how would the Delhi police have handled this case?
But the
Would it have
point is,
taken
he's
30,
not.
11 and a half, 12 months?
He's not
Precisely.
just
Even
another
honest.
citizen. He's not another citizen, and she was
he's
not
just another citizen-
sorry.
If he is just another citizen, madam, I'm sorry.
Sir,
if he was
sir,
just another
he
citizen,
was in government.
he would have been picked up by
He
the
was
police
in
ages
government.
ago.
He had a
Please,
sensitive
please.
portfolio. He had an
No,
important
no, I'm talking
job.
about after
He was
May.
a VIP.
After May,
So let
after
me.
the government changed.
No, sorry,
After the
you
government
cannot.
changed, what
You
happened?
cannot
It's now
ask
6
such a
months.
hypothetical question. He was not a regular citizen
It's
of
not
the
a
country.
hypothetical question.
He was in a sensitive job in
This
a
kind of
sensitive
thing
position.
happens across the country all the time.
No,
I'm not
no,
talking.
the point
look,
is,
whoever
this
he was,
is an-
whatever
So-
position he had,
Sumant Raman.
if there
You
was
cannot
circumstances
compare.
No,
You
so-
cannot
that
compare.
demanded
So-
that he
so-
be
so-
She was
called
a
in for
minister's
questioning,
wife.
He should have been called in for questioning.
She was a minister's wife.
Sumant, it wasn't any other murder. One second, one second. Sumant, if it had been any other person, the person would have been picked up by the police a long time ago and been in lockup.
Exactly.
This is a murder which has happened.
Absolutely.
This is a murder which has happened within a few years, within less than 7 years of the person's marriage. The first suspicion is therefore on the spouse, and the spouse would have been picked up and
Yeah,
put in
but
Tihar
you
jail.
will
You
find-
know that. My
will
question
find
in
that
this
from
case
the
to the
last guy
contrary.
who left the
No, 1
room
minute. To this
from the
contrary, the
video,
person on whom
from
the
the
suspicion
CCTV.
would have been there, writes to the Home Minister, not even to the police person, takes a high moral ground, gets himself mysteriously admitted in AIMS at the same time when his wife's autopsy is going on, disposes of the body in less than 24 hours. Right? The case slows down, investigation does not happen, he does not complain. Elections happen, change of guard happens. By November, the whole case is picking up steam once again. At that time, he writes a letter, fairly aggressive, saying, how are you trying to change, put me under the line of suspicion? He is also constantly trying to ingratiate himself vis-a-vis this new government. I'm not saying he's done anything, but he's constantly trying to ingratiate himself vis-a-vis the new government. At this point of time, it also emerges now that Sunanda Pushkar repeatedly told several people, I am going to reveal something about the IPL scam. Repeatedly, more than 5 to 6 independent people are saying IPL scam, IPL scam, IPL scam. And by the way, Sumansi Raman, it wasn't any other murder. It was a murder involving a very public figure who had a very public spat with her minister husband. So no, it is the murder of a public figure who just publicly hinted at quote unquote the crimes of this man during the IPL. Who is the man she's talking about? This man being a then Union Minister of India. So Shashi Tharoor can't say this is about
All of
TRPs.
this information that we've discussed on the show, Arnab, is more than 11 months old.
So,
All the information that you
so, no, this is
most
not.
Make it
of
irrelevant.
Most of it is several months old.
No, no.
Does it make it
No.
irrelevant because it's 11 months old?
No, why have they not?
That
thought
is a
it fit
different question. It's
to act on
valid
this
today.
information earlier?
It's
Okay,
valid
out of the 11
today.
months,
That's it.
out of the 11 months, 5 to
That's
6.
all
It
that
wasn't valid
matters.
4 months ago.
Out of the 11
It
months,
wasn't
5
valid
months.
4 months ago.
Out of the elections, 5
It
months are
wasn't valid
Congress
6 months
government.
ago.
5 months are Congress government. Take out 5
After
months.
that, 6 months. 6 months later,
Medical
what
You
was
board
asked
have
the,
done.
you
6
asked the
months
previous
Let me
government
point
why
out
they
that
didn't
the
go into
AIIMS
this
Medical
investigation
Board
more fully.
has
Why
given
ask
their
this
report
panel?
to
No,
the
what
police
is the
commission.
They
present
didn't do
government
their
done
job.
in 6 months?
29th of
They
December.
didn't do their job doesn't mean this government shouldn't do its
No,
job.
Arnab,
It doesn't mean
Arnab, the
this
other very
administration
important
shouldn't do
point
their job.
is the forensic report. The forensic report, the All India Institute has to clarify, A, did they find changes of lupus or not in the viscera? If they
has
didn't
been
find it,
clarified.
your entire
One
theory of this
second.
lupus
Can I
goes for a
please,
toss.
Sumansi
And second,
Raman.
what
There
was
we
the
need to
poison
find
that
out
they
that.
actually
Lupus
found?
has nothing to do
Who
with her
spread the
death.
theory of
She
She
lupus?
didn't die of
We need to
lupus.
find out.
I have
So let's
the.
get that
find
clear.
out.
She didn't die of
clearly
lupus.
says
So
as
why
per
do you keep
police
referring to
document.
it?
Okay, so final word. Sumansi Raman
Why is it
says,
being pushed?
Sumansi Raman says, give me the medical opinion of AIIMS forensic report. Now, since you wanted it, and I'm telling you on this, Shashi Tharoor will have, better be careful about the rubbish he speaks. He says media should know decency. We don't have to learn lectures on decency with Shashi Tharoor. We know our job. Now, here's the forensic report. Because we did this channel, we don't just put things out without knowing. This is the forensic report, okay? Have a look carefully. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm putting it out again.
The lupus
No,
theory.
Mr.
We need to
Listen.
find out who started it. Was
who-
it Mr. Tharoor?
1 minute.
Was it his other friend?
I don't-
Was it
No,
a doctor
Arnab,
he
This
paid?
is the forensic report. You wanted it.
Report on the basis
You
of
wanted
which
it, I'm
they
putting it
find
out.
the Murder FIR.
This is the
I
forensic
don't want
report.
to see a
How
report.
did you get the
I
right
want to
report?
find out who started
No,
the
it is not a public document.
the story
It cannot
about
be a
the
public
lupus.
document.
Who
Mr.
started the
Rajashekharan,
lupus
this is the
story?
AIIMS report.
Who started the lupus theory?
1 second.
I would like to find that.
I don't know, but you are
Because then
actively
we can
spreading
find
it. 1
out the
second.
Yeah, that's right.
conspiracy
Only the
if there was
investigating
any.
officer should hold
The
it.
forensic report says Rahul Ishwar, final nail in the coffin of the argument of all those people who have been saying that,
Not
she
final
was not
nail.
killed. 1 second. Look at the number of places. I marked it. What is, she was not
Yeah,
having the disease
the
lupus.
benefit
She was
of
not,
the
look at this.
there.
She was not having the disease
It
lupus.
may
She was
be-
not,
Now-
then I go up, she was not having the
now-
disease lupus.
yes,
She was not
I've
having
seen
the
it
disease
before.
lupus. So she was not having
On your
lupus,
last
for God's sake,
episode,
stop
I've seen
that
it
theory.
before. What
She
I'm
was
saying is,
murdered.
why is
She
nobody
was,
concentrating on the
Sunanda
fact
Pushkar
that
was 100% murdered.
was the-
Sunanda Pushkar was murdered in a mafia type operation. You have any doubts, Rahul Ishwar? Rahul Ishwar.
Whatever it is.
Rahul Ishwar, last word.
will help the
100%
case.
healthy.
Rahul Ishwar.
100% healthy.
Rahul
It's a
Ishwar,
fact.
please.
We all know. She was not 100% healthy. Is a fact
is
we all
100%
know.
healthy?
But I understand
That's
and
still
concede
fine.
that
No,
there
no.
are serious questions. Let us wait for those questions and not invade into the privacy of other people.
Oh,
Let us
sure.
wait for answers and
They are
don't
giving
do a
this
This
media
is not
trial.
a
Healthy
private
enough to have a boxing
matter.
match
This is not a
with
private matter, and nobody can claim to be
private matter.
100% healthy. No one can get that kind of a certificate. All we're saying is
come
she
on.
did not
Come
die
on,
of
Shobhaji.
lupus.
What are we
Not
saying?
die of
What,
lupus.
and what are
It's
what,
a bit too late to talk about privacy of
Arnab,
the
and
two very public
incidentally,
figures with a
murder is
murder
a
case
crime
involved.
against
No, what are we saying here? And conclusion, I want to say one thing. What are we saying here?
Now, 1 second, Arnab.
What are we saying here? What are we saying here, Mr. Rajashekharan? A minute. We are saying she was murdered in a mafia type murder. We are not saying who the murderer was. But we do find it surprising that with all this material in the public domain, A, the investigating agencies were not doing their job. B, that Mr. Shashi Tharoor finds it surprising that anyone thinks his wife was murdered. It's Shashi Tharoor's reaction which is very surprising. But she was certainly murdered. If you think Sunanda Pushkar was murdered in a mafia type killing done by professionals, you can tweet using that hashtag. Who do you think could have eliminated her? You can give your point of view. We here at Times Now believe there is more than meets the eye. This is India's most high-profile, murky mafia type murder case. We will track the story. We have only begun our investigations. Thank you for joining me on debate number 1 on the News Hour tonight.